If you've been using Grok AI for free to generate your images and videos, I have some bad news. As of this week, the door has officially closed. Grok is now paid, and if you don't have a dollar card or an X Premium sub, you're locked out. But don't panic. In today's tutorial, I'm showing another powerful alternative that are still free. Let's get into it.
Go to your browser and search for Google Flow. Once you find it, click on the link. It's going to bring you to this interface. I know you might think Google Flow isn't free, but don't worry. I'm going to show you how to use it for free. Now, click on New Project. This is currently the best alternative to Grok AI. After clicking New Project, you will see options for image and video. On Flow, you get 50 daily credits. Initially, it was 150, but they have reduced it to 50. This means you get 50 credits every single day, and creating a video costs about 20 credits. Now, let me show you the trick. If you click at the top here, you'll see Upgrade. Click on it. Once you're on the Upgrade page, scroll down until you see the Google AI Pro option. You can actually use this for 1 month for free without paying a single dime. You might be wondering, didn't you say I can use this for free without paying? Yes, just click on Get AI Pro. Once you click it and agree to the terms, it will load the subscription page. You can subscribe with your card, and before the month ends, Google will send you a notification so you can cancel the subscription before the free trial expires. To use this continuously, you can simply sign in with multiple accounts. This allows you to keep using the Pro features along with the 50 free credits Google Flow gives you every day.
Now, let's go back and I'll show you how to create a video. You can use their start to end frame feature, but we won't be doing that today. Instead, I'm going to upload the image I want to use. Click the icon at the top and you'll see options like Upload Image, Create Corrections, and Download Project. Select Upload Image. I am now uploading the image I want to animate. Pay close attention. Once the image is uploaded, just long press on it to bring up the Options menu, then click Animate. After clicking Animate, click the Settings icon to adjust your output. You'll see the aspect ratio is set to 16:9, which is for YouTube. You can also change it to 9:16 for vertical video. Here, you can also choose the number of videos you want to generate. Now, let's go back and I will paste my prompt for this animation. It's very simple. Just paste the prompt and hit send. As you can look at the top, our video is being generated. Of course, if you have the money to pay for a full subscription, please go ahead and do so. Let's wait for the result. Our video is ready. Let me play it for you on a bigger screen so you can see the quality.
I heard Grok is now paid, but
smart creators are still creating for free.
To save this video directly to your phone, just click the icon at the top and select 720p. The video will download straight to your gallery. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Jaymind Studio for more tutorials like this. Peace out.